Assalamu alaikum, what's up guys, this is Mustafa Tahir and I'm back with another video. Guys, this video is about adding material themes to your Flutter application, and as you guys know that theming is the most important part of any kind of application, whether you provide it statically or dynamically. So guys, to add a theme, I will create another Dart file and I will name it as app themes.dart. And before writing any code, let's first understand a basic difference between primary color and primary swatch. So primary color is just a color whether you provide in RGB form or in the hex form or in the colors provided by Flutter itself. And a primary swatch basically is a material color which has some shades available, and you can call it as that a sub part of a primary swatch can be a primary color. So I will create another class, let's say app theme, and in this class I will first create a function which will return the theme data, and I will convert this function to a static one so I can access from the object itself. So I'm providing returning the returning type theme data and application theme. I'm returning theme data which has let's say a theme data has primary color only, which will be teal, and font family of, for simplicity I've placed only two parameters for now, and come to the main section, and in the material app provide this theme with app theme dot application theme. So now we have covered up a basic theme structure. It's time to run the application and then we will continue on. So our application ran successfully. So if you guys remember, a day ago I had created a tutorial on a carousel slider, and I'll be implementing the material apps to the same project. And right now as you can see that a random color has been applied to the slider page. Now I will come to this respective page, and in the app bar which has colors.green, I will replace it with theme.offContext.primary color. If I hot restart now, you can see the default theme has been applied to this app bar, and so we can do it with a slider as well. Theme.offContext.primary color. So it's look amazing and elegant. So guys, this is for one color only. What if we need to apply different shades? For that we have to create a new material theme object. For that, head over to your app theme.dart file. So guys, to apply a material color we must have a hex code that we can generate the shades of. So same as the theme data function, I will make this one as a static too and constant, because this won't be changing, and I will create instance of material color, and so guys, this is a map of type integer and color. So to apply it, first I need a hex color which I have already copied, so this will be the color that I need the shades of. And now as I mentioned that it is a map of type integer and color. Now we have to create some shades for this hex color. So we have to redirect to the internet for some time. And by the way guys, I have already created a Medium article on the same topic, and if you guys like my content, you can follow me. So creating a new tab and just write here hex shades generator, and pick any site, let's say this site, and enter the hex color which I have already copied. Click this button and it will automatically create different shades for you. So I'll pick from the 0th one. We need around 7 to 8 shades, and write it like this. And before pasting, make sure to add this 0 cross FF and then paste the code. So it will also highlight on the left. So I will skip this video. Till then I will create another shades, and then we will move on. So guys, I am done with the implementation. I have created different shades and I have provided different colors for each shade. And now the next step is to comment out the primary color. Instead, I will use primary swatch, which requires material color, and I'll apply material color here. So it has accepted, that means our implementation is correct. And now it's time to test the application again. I won't change the theme because it will regenerate the theme as per our material shades. Let's restart the app. You can see an elegant and interesting design with the help of material colors. And let's say under this scaffold, I can add a floating action button, and I'll apply the same theme, which is theme.off.context.primary color. Hot restart, provide a child to. So guys, this is the simplest explanation and to adding material themes to our Flutter application. And the color I have applied to the floating action button, I can do it from here also, and it has by default a floating action button theme. So I can apply floating action button theme data, and I can set the primary color, let's say from the material color. And I have already mentioned that a sub part of a material color is a primary color. So material color, and I can apply like this, and it's time to restart because if you hot reload it won't work, so restart is recommended. So after commenting out the code of background color, we can see, so after commenting out the background color from floating action button itself, you can see that we are getting the particular indexed color that we have applied. And if you come here, you can see that I've applied the first index, which means this shade. So here guys, I will wind up this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and do subscribe this channel if you like my content, and also do check out my other playlist I have created. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. This is me, Mustafa Tahir, signing off. Allah Hafiz.